The Google Pixel 10 Pro is a true technological powerhouse, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be in 2025. At the forefront is a breathtaking 6.9-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, delivering an incredibly fluid user experience whether you're scrolling through apps, gaming, or watching high-definition content. The display's deep contrast and vibrant color accuracy ensure that every frame looks stunning, setting a new standard for mobile screens. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, designed for next-gen AI performance, graphics processing, and battery efficiency. Combined with an astonishing 32 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, this phone handles even the most demanding tasks effortlessly. Multitasking, high-end mobile gaming, and pro-level video editing feel seamless and snappy. Storage is equally impressive, offering a staggering 2 TB of internal memory, making it ideal for content creators, professionals, and power users who need space for massive files, 8K video, or thousands of high-res photos. And speaking of photos, the Pixel 10 Pro introduces a game-changing 400MP AI-enhanced main camera sensor, capable of capturing detail at a level typically reserved for professional DSLRs. Advanced computational photography, real-time AI scene optimization, and enhanced low-light performance make every shot a masterpiece. Battery life is another standout feature. The Pixel 10 Pro is equipped with a massive 8,000 mAh battery, ensuring up to 2 full days of use on a single charge. When you do need to recharge, the blazing fast 90W wired charging gets you back to 100% in under 30 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping you on the move. In every aspect, design, performance, camera, battery, and user experience, the Pixel 10 Pro represents the pinnacle of Google's smartphone innovation. It's not just a phone, it's a powerful digital companion built for the future.